Good day. My name is Werner Olivier and I'm the Director of the Governor Mathematics Development Center at the Nelson Mandela University in South Africa. Our center focuses on innovative practical solutions to address major challenges in adoption of the 21st century teaching and learning strategies for mathematics and science at secondary schools. Most public schools in our country are under-resourced with a lack of knowledge and skills amongst educators about how to integrate technology in the classroom or for after-school learner support. Over the past decade, our center has used an innovative techno-blended approach to develop a range of educational applications and curriculum-aligned digital resources to support more interactive and learner-centered educational approaches in under-resourced schools. Dynamic visualization of syllabus content through videos, applets, and animations, independent self-assessment with feedback, and multi-language support are some of the self-directed learning affordances of this approach. The overall goal is to create innovative technology-assisted learning environments that does not rely exclusively on online access. Our models are currently being used in a hybrid offline-online way in different parts of the country to offer professional development programs for in-service teachers and to provide incubation and curriculum support platforms for learners who want to access university for further studies. Since 2017, the Governor Maths Development Center also incorporated STEAM education, promotion and support initiatives as a key engagement focus alongside its techno-blended math and science programs in secondary schools. This came through partnerships with GeoGebra Global Community and collaboration with experts within the international maths art movement, in particular the experience-centered math art movement headed by Christoph Inveji from the University in Jyväskylä, Finland.
The Centre has incorporated a series of experiential learning projects with teachers and learners as part of its annual STEAM development agenda. In the pre-COVID period, facilitated workshops were offered on a regular basis. These face-to-face workshops included interactive problem-solving events with special activity kits and demonstrations using the dynamic visualization open-source software GeoGebra. Since the COVID pandemic in 2020, the STEAM workshops were replaced with Zoom-based webinars for teachers. Interactive experiences were facilitated in real time over distance using GeoGebra applets on tablets and phones, and then STEAM workshops with real-life examples and activities that teachers could try with their learners were also demonstrated. Another aim of the STEAM workshops was to promote creative problem-solving and awareness of connections between mathematics and the arts. As this learner indicates in this quote, learners with a more creative way of learning struggle in class because the way mathematics is being taught is rigid and set in the past. The latter goal of the GMDC's STEAM education agenda was realized through a special math art competition. This competition project started in 2018 and has grown to a viable national project in South Africa, and with strong support from international partners and national education stakeholders, this project has great potential to be disruptive in the educational space. Initially through the competition, it was found that the connection between math and art didn't come naturally. It was necessary to have workshops where creating can become fun and where learners and teachers were stimulated to see the connection. This was mostly, or these workshops pictured here were mostly done before COVID. Another important aspect of the competition is the recognition that schools and learners receive through taking part in the competition. At the prize givings and also when exhibitions are held, and learners have the opportunity to talk about their artworks and to explain how they connected math and art. Thank you very much for joining us, and we all look forward to interacting with you.